Hey guys, Chris Hansen from Karate Unity. Shout out to my martial art fan. Thanks to Susie Roberts. She asked me to do a goals video. Susie Roberts from Conversations of Karate. I'll be using their book to track my training, so get this if you don't have it. Along with Les Bubka's Karate Journal. Get this if you don't have it. Two great tracking books to track your martial arts. That's one of my goals. I want to track my training a bit more. Get a better grip on that right now to do that. So I want to get more flexible this year. Keep finding creative ways to work my kata and cross-training, with other martial artists and combat sport players to make my martial art better. And on a personal level, I want to keep learning, sharing my craft, reaching out to others legitimately and really meaning it, having consistent messaging both online and offline. And I want to hop on some planes and start visiting the world, sharing my craft and learning from you guys. So one love, all the best. Happy New Year 2022, and keep moving. Nothing can stop us. Nothing can stop us. We're all the way up. Bam!